Have you heard the story before?
No.
Okay, let me tell you and listen carefully. Flash deep in the jungle, there was a hungry monkey looking for food. The hardworking monkey finally managed to find a lot of food. He was very happy and started to eat his food. In the jungle, the monkey's eating his food. A rabbit and a tortoise happened to pass by the place where the monkey was eating. They were also very hungry. They hadn't eaten for a few days. Mr. Monkey looked at the food around. If only he was willing to share some, said the tortoise. Yes, my friends, I think he sought after us some food, said the rabbit. Unfortunately, the monkey was not willing to share his food with the rabbit and the tortoise. I thought Mr. Monkey's attitude. He is very stingy, said the rabbit. I spent the whole day looking for this food, and now you guys come shouting. Why can't you go now and offer your own food? Said the monkey. The rabbit and the tortoise were very upset. Mr. Monkey is very rude but stingy, said the tortoise to the rabbit. He should learn to share his food with others, answered the rabbit. Mr. Monkey, please give us some food. We've not eaten for 2 days, appealed the rabbit. You help me. Why can't you all like me to find some food? Are you ashamed to go around begging for food? Said the monkey. The rabbit and the tortoise felt very embarrassed. Mr. Monkey, you did so deep. I'm sure there will be a day for us, said the tortoise angrily. Soon they left the place. One day, the monkey was very sick. He could not go out to look for food. He was very sad. If I don't get any food, I'm going to die here, said the monkey pathetically. Coincidentally, this was heard by the tortoise and the rabbit, who happened to be in that place. The tortoise and the rabbit invited the monkey and offered him some food. They didn't have rights against the monkey. The monkey was very thankful to the rabbit and the tortoise. He promised not to be stingy anymore. He was willing to share his food with others. If you have some food, let's share with others. Share your food with others. If you have some food, let's share with others. Share your food with others. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all about my story. Thank you very much for your kind attention and have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. Okay.